Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another Market Outlook by Exness. My name is Andreas Simsokleus, trading content specialist here at Exness, and in today's video we are going to be checking on a possible trading idea for the week ahead, the narratives behind it, and which economic data could potentially affect this trade. But before we proceed, let's check on the performance of last week's idea. The idea was for a sell on silver with a target around 34.5. This level was not reached yet, but it might have potential to do so this week, so monitor it closely. Now for this week, we are looking at crude oil for a potential sell trade with a target of around 63.5 or even lower. The price has, for the time being, completed an aggressive bullish rally and has found sufficient resistance around the 76 area, close to the upper band of the Bollinger Bands. Following that, we see a massive bearish candlestick forming on Monday's session and is currently testing the support of the 50% of the daily Fibonacci retracement level. The moving averages are validating the overall bearish trend in the market, while the stochastic oscillator is approaching extreme oversold levels. The main narrative behind this week's idea is the de-escalation of geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, with President Trump announcing that the ceasefire agreement has been reached, and in the response, the markets showed signs of calming down and the price of crude oil declined as a result. In addition, fears of closing down the Strait of Hormuz, a vital shipping channel that a fifth of the world's oil consumption flows through, are now lower, therefore removing the war premium on the price of oil. In terms of economic data for this week that investors need to pay attention to are the Fed Chair Powell testimony on Tuesday and Wednesday, US GDP growth for the first quarter, as well as US PCE index on Friday. So in summary, the trading idea for this week is a sell on crude oil with a potential target around the 63.5 or lower. The main narrative is the de-escalation of geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, as well as declining fear of supply chain disruptions. The economic data that investors need to pay attention to are the Fed Chair testimony, the US GDP and PCE index data. Remember, this is not a signal, it is just an idea for a trade. It's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and remember to manage risks.